welcome to our channel, Mad Learning Club. This is me, Adam, and this is my sister.
Hi, my name is Ruby.
Today, we will show you how to set up a chessboard. I got a chessboard and some chess pieces. Which colour would you like, Ruby?
White, please.
And this one is mine. Now I'm going to set it up. Now, the most important thing of all is that the white square has to be on the player's right. So this is my right and this is my sister's right. Now let's introduce the chess pieces. These two are horses or knights and they are here. These two are castles or rook and they are here. And these are bishops and they sit here on the bottom line. This is a queen and she always goes on her own colour. And the king goes right next to the queen. Now, the remaining pieces I got are pawns, and these pawns go on the front line. And this is what a setup chessboard should look like for one side. Now it's your side, Ruby.
Now I will introduce you to the chess pieces. These are called castles or rocks, and they go at the end of the back line. And these are horses or knights, and they go right next to the castles. These are bishops, and they go next to the knights or horses. This is a queen. There is only one queen, and the queen goes on her own colour. And this is a king, and the king goes right next to the queen. And the remaining ones are pawns, and pawns go on the front line. And this is what chess formation should look like.
Thank you for watching our video.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.